Tubing replacement. To prevent mixing up the left and right ear molds, replace the tubings one side at a time. Firstly, twist and disconnect the old tubing from the hearing aid. Then, gently pull out the old tubings from the ear mold. Put the old tubing aside. Prepare the new tubing by cutting one end of it diagonally to create a taper. Insert this tapered end of the new tubing into the ear mold from the outside. Push the new tubing all the way in until the bend of the tubing sits close to the ear mold. Make sure the non-tapered end of the tubing is pointing up when the ear mold is in its in-ear orientation. Cut away the excess end of the tubing. Ensure that the end of the tubing flushes with the surface of the ear mold. Next, use the old tubing as a reference to cut the new tubing to the same length. Now, connect the open end of the new tubing to the hearing aid. Check and ensure that the orientation of the ear mold to the hearing aid is correct. For proper orientation, the curves of the hearing aid and its ear mold are in the same direction. You may have to twist the tubing to adjust the orientation. Checklist. Do not connect the right ear mold to the left hearing aid or vice versa. Ensure the connection between the tubing and the hearing aid is tight. Ensure that the curve of each hearing aid and its ear mold are in the same direction.